Have you ever wondered how an NFL legend kicks back during vacation? Join me as I give you an exclusive tour of Chris Johnson's, that's right, CJ2K, his stunning vacation rental here in Orlando, Florida, just a few miles from Walt Disney World. You guys, make sure you watch the end because I can't wait to show you the game room with a mini Jumbotron. Let's go take a look. What's up? Welcome to this 7-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom home here in Davenport, Florida. Again, we're just maybe 2 or 3 miles from Animal Kingdom, so this is an amazing opportunity for you to rent if you're looking for a rental here in the Orlando area. So right away, the kitchen is, you have the upgraded granite countertops. Look at these light fixtures, you guys. This isn't a normal vacation rental at all. This is wonderful. And a fun fact about Mr. Chris Johnson, he actually owns a local coffee shop here in Claremont, Florida called Just Love Coffee. If you watch our podcast, you can see that he talks about it. But if you rent this place, his place, they give you free Just Love coffee. Look at that, that's crazy. So you can make whatever you want. So this is an exclusive Chris Johnson situation where you can rent. If you rent there, you get the free coffee. So again, downstairs, main area, there is one main owner suite down here. There's a few owner suites. There's one upstairs as well, but right there you have an ensuite. Again, luxury with the back panel and the backlit and the light fixture is just fantastic. And you have a shower, everything you need. This living room space, this furniture is so cool, dining space is cool, lighting fixture. Again, I like to kind of show you what's different about these homes. This specifically has an amazing accent wall. Look at that, the detail is just fantastic. And then of course, upgraded Samsung curved TV, you can't beat that. If you notice the accent wall here too as well, just a nice little touch added there. And then floors upgraded, everything's great. And then of course, big slider that opens all the way. And here you have your screened-in pool and hot tub with a nice little view back there as well. Let's head upstairs to see the other bedrooms, the other bathrooms, and of course, there's a loft up here as well. So Florida's interesting. There's no basements here in Florida. So the loft becomes kind of like this basement feel. I always tell people when they're buying and renting here that this is your basement, right? So you have your TV, your L-shaped couch. Again, these lighting fixtures are just so different and so cool than most vacation rentals here in the Central Florida area. So there's a big space here to hang out. I do want to say there's 2 bedrooms down there. There is another owner suite down there with a bathroom. So if you have 2 families renting, parents can stay in both upstairs and downstairs. I do want to show you specifically these 2 bedrooms. So there's the Minnie Mouse themed bedroom, which the girls will love, or some of the little boys will love too. So there you go. It's a pretty cool room. Again, they all come with flat screen TVs. And then this is a freaking cool room. My boys will love this room. So this is a full-on Avengers bunk bed situation. Look at this. These murals are top notch. You got any little video game right here too. A couple video games. Yeah, this is just, look at that. It's not even on the top. This is a cool room. So these are the 2 kid rooms, bunk rooms. The 3 rooms down here, they're decorated beautifully. But this is the one room, this is my favorite, the second favorite room. The game room is my favorite room. But this room is like football, Tennessee Titan, Chris Johnson room. Look at this thing. So people who know me, I'm from Kansas City, so I'm a massive Chiefs fan. So of course this is my favorite part of the whole house right here. I believe that's Jamal Charles's helmet, which that's amazing. You also have I think that's Steve McNair's helmet. And then you have the Pro Bowl helmet. You have, look at this, first touchdown with Jets. He played for the Jets, that's his football. That's so cool. And then you have a Pro Bowl 2011 helmet signed by a ton of awesome players. I mean, what vacation rental in Central Florida can you have this? This is at 0. So anyway, second favorite room. It's time for the game room. Come downstairs, let's go. All right, so before I let you in, I just want to let you know, this is a converted garage. Here in Central Florida, a lot of vacation rentals, they turn their garage into a game room or a recreational room, especially in the vacation area. I've seen a ton of homes, you guys. This is the coolest I've ever seen. Not to raise your expectations too much, but I think you're gonna love it too. All right, so come on in. So right away you see murals painted everywhere, right? Look at this thing. This is so amazing. This is a garage, you guys. So you have your NFL Blitz, you have your foosball table. It's also air conditioned, so it feels great in here. You have your pool table right here. You have your air hockey table right here, and it's live right now, so man, play this all day long. Boom, boom, boom. when I flicked the switch, it actually turned on. So that's cool. So right here, it's not on right now, but we have Xbox One. You can sit here, play all day. Look at this chair, even an upgraded chair. Here, you have Chris Johnson on cover of Sports Illustrated, which is super cool. Look at that thing. And then they have a MetaQuest here, a virtual reality game system, which a lot of vacation rentals don't have that. They usually have like a PlayStation 2 or something. And then over here, you got your PlayStation 5 set right here. This is literally with LeBron and Kobe in the background, Jordan over here, the man himself, the man, the myth, the legend, Chris Johnson. But this is kind of like one of the coolest parts. There's a mini Jumbotron up there. Check this out. It's a Jumbotron in the garage. That is sick. And this is my favorite part. All these amazing athletes, Tyrann Mathieu, go Chiefs, even though that's Cardinals. We got Chris's, we got Jersey, Jonathan Taylor, my boy Dante Hall, Amari Cooper, Michael Vick, Rashard Lewis, Ryan Howard. Oh man, look at this thing. So this is definitely worth renting. My boy Patrick Mahomes is on that one right there. Messy. So this is unbelievable, this house. The amenities that are included in this house, like down the street, you have a lazy river, you have a beach entry pool, like one of those low entry pools, you have a huge water slide, you have miniature golf, you have a full basketball court, you have so much to do here in this place. I love touring homes, so I asked Chris, he's a friend of mine, I asked him if I can come over and tour this home and show you guys. If you're looking for a rental here in Central Florida, make sure you look this place up. If you're looking, I know a lot of you guys watch this because I sell homes, but if you're looking to buy something like this and you want to trick it out like this, I have all the connections, so go ahead and comment below or reach out to me, send me a message. You can do that as well, and I can help you buy one of these amazing places to rent it out on your own. But we appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe so you can see more of our content. We have our local podcast in Orlando, lifestyle videos, everything. Make sure you subscribe if you love Orlando just like we do, and we'll see you on the next one.